we are glad that we were taking around the facility, and it's actually mind-blowing. My team and I went through the facilities. We saw that even some things we thought were imported as a CKD brought together, that they were actually fabricated here. We commend the JMG for the quality of engineering that are practicing here.
Well done. One of the things that I've seen in the factory is the use of additive manufacturing that they have employed in the casing of their generators. I want to commend them for doing a fantastic job, for empowering the young ones. And having toured their factory, I discovered that the number of expatriates there is very low. That means that they're engaging the local people, using local products to ensure that their products are almost 100% local content.
Fortunately, I've been partnering with JMG for a while, and I know their products are quality. Among the competitors, JMG has really come of age, and I can say JMG products are the thing. You can trust them for what they do in terms of quality, which is assured. They have quality services all throughout, both sales and delivery. We've been to the factory, and I say that they've really stepped up. They have their factory where they do some of these things, bringing in the knockdown and then getting some of these things fabricated in Nigeria.